All right, this week the People News at the here and now. This video is live, but I wanted to kind of give a. If you guys see this before it ends, to jump on there and kind of check it out and see what kind of detail it leads into. Um, but I wanted to kind of give it a, I guess, a kind of a promotion. uh, and I'm not an attorney. I'm not giving legal advice. Okay. Anything I say or do is just my opinion, and it's educational. Okay, and I'm not an attorney, so I'm off track. um, if I was perfect, I would be God. All right. Use the Second Amendment. Arm yourself with knowledge. Okay. Do not take that arm in a wrong direction. All right. I just clearly spoke the word arm and how I tend to use it. We never look straight forward. We always look around us to do so. Okay. Sovereignty living. Okay. And he does his own court things. So what he says, he does in court. Let me try to.
As
There we go.
Finish it off. Then.
Let it be done.
As it should be done. There you go.
There you guys go there.
Okay, so at our last meeting we had on Wednesday, we had a meeting on Wednesday. Today's Friday. We were talking about the organic law in the United States of America. And the organic law is, if you go to the Office of Law Revision Council, which is a U.S. Department of Justice website, it'll tell you that the organic law consists of the Declaration of Independence, the Articles of Confederation, the Northwest Ordinance, and the Constitution. So all four of those documents, as one, constitute the organic law of the United States of America. And so when you...
And I don't know what he's going to say, but just for educational purposes only, since I'm not an attorney. When things came up, the Constitution, Confederate, and all that kind of stuff, well, none of it has ever been what you call appealed. You know what I mean? It has never been canceled out. So it was just, since that was never canceled out, it's an extension. And they work together. Okay? And we only stick into one thing, but in order to give it strength, you may have to put everything in there, right? Okay? We want the positive organic law. Okay? Anyway, let's proceed forward. Oh, by the way, if you want to check this out, okay? There we go. Case number, okay, 4-24-CV-881-0. I actually may be saying it wrong. I'm sleepy. Wife is out of town. Got 2 grandbabies on my head and shoulders, knees and toes. So they kind of wore me out today, people. So excuse me on that behalf. Okay. And I was laying in bed. I was chipping through video on YouTube and planning on going to sleep. And this came about. So here we go. Here we are.
If you've listened to some of my other documents or shows, I've gone through some of my other documents, and all of the acts of Congress and all of the acts of Texas or any other state are civil laws. And the organic law trumps them. So anyways, so there was a guy at the last meeting, his name was Bill, I won't say his last name, but he brought up the fact that about the violation of the First Amendment. And I thought, boy, he's right. And so this is a notice of constitutional challenge. And so I just thought I would go through it. It's not very long. And we can go through something else too, but we'll start off with this at least. So this is a notice of constitutional challenge pursuant to your Rule 5.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and end it here for right now, and let's see here. Just in case I get back to it, obviously you heard a phone call. That would be my wife, and I'm gonna have to call her back, and she's with the other grandkids in East Texas, and join them, and to kind of get out of the rut of in this town, to kind of get a change of scenery. And anyway, I'll try to come back to this. We'll see how everything plans out. Okay. This will be the People News. Bye, y'all.